In today's video I'm going to build a bench to cover this ugly heater, as it isn't in use anyway. I used a lot of the old scrap wood I also built my workbench out of. First, I screwed together a simple frame out of 60 by 60 timber. Then I cut these boards into 3 cm wide pieces using my table saw to create the side slats. Sanded them, gave them a 45-degree edge and also cut their ends to 45 degrees to match the front slats. Before sanding and finishing the side parts underneath the slats get screwed onto, I pre-fitted the slats and labeled them to make sure I get them in the perfect spot later. Now I was able to mount the slats on the side piece. For the top boards I had to remove a ton of nails first, as they were used for shed roofing in their first life. They also got the 45-degree edge and sanding up to 800 grit. Before finishing them, I filled the holes using hard wax. To attach them I simply put a piece of drywall between the timber. Not the best solution, but I was in a hurry to get this thing done as it was supposed to be my mom's Christmas present. To finish it off I repeated the whole process for the front.